In Maine, there are many construction and compaction equipment companies to choose from. Skid steers, excavators, backhoe loaders, and more. But a person almost needs a PhD in construction equipment to select the right machine to meet their needs. Northland JCB, a division of NITCO, understands that choosing the right construction and heavy equipment can be overwhelming. That's why they provide extensive training to their equipment consultants who know about product capabilities, individual features, and how they can benefit you. This way, they're ready to assist you in sorting through the options and help you make the right equipment selection for your specific needs. The team at Northland JCB has been delivering amazing customer service since 1969, and they stand ready to help you from their location in Lewiston, Maine, or at your site location. Don't be intimidated by your heavy equipment choices. Call Northland JCB today to learn more. Give them a call at 1-888-770-0274 to find out about their latest inventory specials on new, used, and rental construction equipment.